Nice, guys. So you can see from it was $200. It was actually $200. So the account dropped when I had a little pullback. They almost claimed the entire account, right? Almost took the account. But so much time ago, I opened multiple positions. That's why the account, when I had the margin call, the account did not blow. All right, it didn't blow the account. So you can see we are in good profits now from call it 200, or you can say 110 to over $600. So let me show you the charts. It's a very simple setup, very sweet setup, very simple, pretty simple. Anybody can do it. All right, look at this. You can see when we had that pull around this level, it almost blew the account. All right, you can see the little pull that happened there, like the little rejection that happened there before the market started dropping again. So my reason for this trade is pretty simple. You can see I just moved SL below. So I'm sure I didn't move SL below all the positions, but some positions, almost all. And our TP down here, that's our TP right there. So if we hit this level, we should be seeing like $1,000 with $110. That's the idea. Catch a nice setup and hold it for a long time to get. Look at that. That's our entry. So why did I give the call? It's pretty simple. It's a downtrend. You can see that that's a downtrend because we had a breakout. We had this breakout right there. We had that breakout right there, and there was a range here. This is a range. And you know, when a range is broken, market will drop. If it's a downtrend, market would drop. It will drop, and then there will be a pullback into the range before the next drop. So you can see the pullback happen into the range, which is here, which is this price, this range around this level. And when I saw this strong bearish engulfing candlestick, because the candlestick is very important, you need to know how to read your candlesticks. You can see the strong bearish engulfing candlestick. This candlestick is stronger than the previous candlestick with a sweep above. So this is a nice setup right there. So maybe I saw this as I saw a little move when I had this rejection. This candlestick went up, and when there was a rejection coming down, I had to open because I knew the momentum is down really strong. You can see what is happening now. We had a little pull to this point before the final drop. So we are doing amazingly. Like today, I've given like 5 signals. We hit 1 SL and we smashed like 3 TPs already, and I still have some trades running on my other account. All right, so that's it, guys. If you're looking for any place a reliable place to you can join, they can be making consistent profits, where you can learn how to do analysis by yourself. You know, a community you can join that can assist you on how to grow and be successful in trading. You can check the description of this video to join the free Telegram channel, and you chat me up for mentorship and VIP signals. That'll be all for now. Thank you.
I came with a plan in my palm, small stack, big calm. You smile when the numbers move, then you flinch when the market turns. I read your face in the dust. I know when the pressure climbs. One hand in, one hand out. I don't stay when the room gets loud. Trade and withdraw. Step back fast. Trade and withdraw. Make it